Craig Mahoney. I'm here at Iowa Orthopedic Center. I've been here for 22 years. I think the best thing about our surgery center is the fact that all the surgeons are in charge of the care of the patient. Historically, when we've done surgery in the hospital or affiliated with other groups, we've had to distribute the kind of care plan amongst all the people who are associated with the patient's experience. And here, I think the doctors are in charge. I think it just empowers us to do whatever we think is best for our patients. And I think our early results would certainly support the fact that this is going to be a very successful endeavor. We have a lot of different things here at the surgery center that allow us to use technology to help patients in their recovery. Certainly robotic surgery is something that's exciting, fresh, and new. We also have a streamlined approach from checking patients in, doing the surgery, and then doing an enhanced and probably, I think in most instances, a facilitated recovery. So this center is very, very focused on getting great outcomes for orthopedic patients.